Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use this Media Kit iPhone mockups shortcut. You can use it to create mockups from 8 iPhone models, including also you can add frame like from iPhone 5C, iPhone 12 up to 12. Well, if you use iPhone 13, later I'll show you another shortcut to create mockups for iPhone 13. So let me just get this shortcut. If the author update this shortcut to support iPhone 13, you can run this shortcut to update to get the latest version. So let me just get this shortcut from Routing Hub and tap Getting Shortcut. Open. Add a shortcut. Okay, I can just input from nowhere. You should input from Siri. Should enable this option. This action won't be supported in future versions. Let me just simply delete this one. This is useless. Okay, seems fine. Let me just run a shortcut. So to access shortcuts folder, okay. So to run another shortcut, this would run this shortcut. So allow. To display notification, okay. Well, allow this shortcut to connect to Dropbox. So this will download the frame, the iPhone mockup frame. So let me tap allow. Package 1 successfully download. Package 2. Okay. 3. Okay, all downloaded. Let me just create a mockup to run another shortcut. Always allow. So I can select so many devices from iPhone 5C to iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let me just simply select iPhone 12 mini. Always allow. Let me the color red one to run. Always allow. Let me just select a screenshot. Simply select this one. To run, always allow. Still working on it. Okay, see? Here's the mockup. Red one, red iPhone 12 mini. Let me just tap this button, generate mockup. Okay, your mockup has been generated. So this is like a native HTML. So well, this screenshot was taken on my iPhone SE, so you see the image is a little bit. So I can just save this, add to photos. Here it's the one. Of course, you can select another. Now you can create another mockup, or just quit now. So when you run it for the second time, you don't have to wait. So you don't have to download anything. You can just create a mockup. Then you can select the devices. So I'm select iPhone SE. Space gray. As always, let me select a screenshot. Select this one. Well, the files are saved. You see the okay. This is the iPhone SE mockup. This is beautiful. You see, that's my device. So this media kit, you see the mockups are downloaded here on your iPhone. iCloud shortcuts folder and media kit. Well, if you quit now. If you want create mockup on iPhone 13, you can use this Apple Frames. This shortcut was released by Mac Stories. At device frames to screenshots for iPhone, you see 11.8 to 13, and iPad and MacBook. This will detect the pixels on your screenshot and automatically select the device. So if you run this on iPhone 13, the screenshot was taken on iPhone 13, so the frame will be iPhone 13. Well, I'll share the both shortcut link in the description. You can click the link to get the shortcut. As always, thank you for watching.